Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDCAD. Let's start with some fundamental overview first. The USD has been generally under pressure since the benign US CPI report last week, as the hawkish expectations subsided and the market switched its focus from inflation back to growth. This triggered a positive risk sentiment with risk assets like stocks and Bitcoin gaining ground. Such an environment is generally negative for the greenback. The CAD should remain overall supported, but we will get the Canadian CPI report today, and that might weigh on it in the short term if the data surprises to the downside. In the bigger picture, the pair might keep falling as the risk on sentiment from falling inflation and positive growth impulse weighs on the US dollar. Now on the daily chart, we can see that USD CAD consolidated right at this key support zone around the 136 handle, where we can also find the confluence of the trend line and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. This is where the buyers keep stepping in with a defined risk below the support to position for a rally back into the cycle highs around the 139 handle. The sellers will want to see the price breaking lower to gain more conviction and increase the bearish bets into the 134 handle. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that in case we get a bigger correction from this support, the sellers will have a good risk towards setup around the 137 handle, where there's the confluence of this downward trend line and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. The buyers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking above this trend line to invalidate the bearish setup and increase the bullish bets into the cycle highs. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have an important level at the 136.42, where the price got rejected from several times. A breakout to the upside should see the buyers increase the bullish bets into the downward trend line. Notice though that the upside limit of the average daily range here is around the 136.66 level, so barring any big surprises in the data, the pair is unlikely to extend above this level today. Today we get the Canadian CPI report, where the data is unlikely to change much for the CAD, although it could weigh on it or boost it in the short term. On Thursday, we will see the latest US PMIs and jobless claims figures, and finally on Friday we conclude the week with the Canadian retail sales data.